Today, I'll show you how to create a golden sand reveal animation, a smooth and elegant effect that makes your video appear as if it's being uncovered by shimmering sand. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into the timeline. Once your clip is ready, select it and head over to the right side editing panel. Now, click on the animation tab. Under the in section, look for the golden sand effect. This animation creates a stunning reveal, making it appear as if golden grains of sand are brushing away to reveal your clip. To control the speed of this effect, adjust the duration slider. A shorter duration will make the sand disappear quickly, while a longer duration creates a more dramatic and slow reveal. And there you have it. You've successfully applied the golden sand reveal animation in CapCut PC. This effect works beautifully for intros, travel montages, or any project that needs a touch of elegance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.